Good day, everyone. Today I want to talk about one of the most powerful forces in business. A force that is available to everyone. A force that requires no special qualifications, no large capital investment, no advanced technology, no secret formula. No, that force is consistency. The truth is that most people misunderstand success. They think success happens because of one big event, one lucky break, one brilliant idea, one major deal, or one viral marketing campaign, one life-changing opportunity. But that's really how success works. Success is rarely dramatic. Success is usually boring. It's the same actions repeated over and over and over again. Day after day, week after week, month after month, year after year. The problem is that most people are attracted to intensity. They become excited for a few days, motivated for a few weeks, focused for a short period. Then they lose the momentum and they start again. Successful business owners don't rely on motivation. They rely on consistency because consistency beats intensity every single time. Let me give you an example. Imagine two lenders. The first lender works incredibly hard for 1 week every month. The second lender works consistently every single day. Who do you think will build the stronger business? The answer is obvious. The lender who shows up every day. Because business success is not built on bursts. It's built through repetition. Let's look at collections. Many lenders only focus on collections when cash flow becomes a problem, when accounts become overdue, when pressure starts building. By then, it's often too late. Successful lenders focus on collections every single day. They monitor performance, they review overdue accounts, they follow up consistently, not because there's a crisis, but because consistency prevents a crisis. Now let's talk about marketing. One of the biggest mistakes business owners make is marketing only when they need customers. They disappear for weeks, sometimes months. Then suddenly they start posting again because business is slow. That's not a marketing strategy. Successful businesses market consistently. Every day people are learning about the business. Every day people are seeing the brand. Every day trust is being built. Consistency creates visibility. Visibility creates opportunity. The same principles apply to service. Customers don't judge your business based on one good interaction. They judge your business based on repeated experiences. Consistent services creates trust. Trust creates loyalty. Loyal customers creates growth. Now let's talk about training and personal development. The most successful lenders never stop learning. Not because they have to, because they understand that small improvements compound over time. One new lesson today, one new skill next week, one process improvement next month. These small improvements may seem insignificant, but over time they create massive results. The same principle applies to your team. Train them consistently, coach consistently, communicate consistently. The strongest teams are not built through occasional motivation. They are built through consistent leadership. One of the greatest lessons I learned as an entrepreneur is that success is often visible while it is happening. When you exercise once, nothing changes. When you market once, nothing changes. When you improve one process, nothing changes. But when you repeat those actions hundreds of times, everything changes. The results eventually become visible. That's why many people quit just too early. They expect immediate results. Successful entrepreneurs understand that consistency is a long-term game. They trust the process, even when they cannot immediately see the results. Think about a loan book. It isn't built in one day. Think about a reputation. isn't built in one day. Think about a successful business. It isn't built in one day. Everything valuable is built consistently, brick by brick, day by day, decision by decision. The lenders who achieve long-term success are usually not the smartest. They're not always the most talented. They're definitely not always the most experienced. They're often just the most consistent. They show up every day. They follow the process. They execute the fundamentals. They remain disciplined while others stop. This is why I believe consistency is one of the greatest competitive advantages in business, because most people underestimate its power and most people fail to maintain it. So my message today is simple. Follow up consistently, collect consistently, market consistently, train consistently, improve consistently, don't chase intensity. Build consistency, because consistency creates momentum. Momentum creates growth, and growth creates success. Remember, success is rarely dramatic. It's usually boring. It's simply the right actions repeated long enough for the results to appear. Thank you for joining me today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Cheers for now.